Hello everyone, welcome to my current. This is the weekly forex market forecast and update. So in this video we're going to be looking at the EURUSD, GBPUSD, USDCHF and USDJPY currency pairs. Yeah. So let's get started. But first, before we get started, I'd like to let you know that you can get free trading signals from me on my channel, the Mike Earn channel. The link to that channel will be in the description below. Just copy the link, paste it in your browser, use the link and join us. Yes, join us. It's going to be you're going to be really grateful. You're going to be really grateful that you joined because of how profitable the trading signals are. Yes, you don't want to miss out on this. What else? Yeah, you can also subscribe to my account management service as well. My contact will be in the description below, my direct Telegram contact. Yeah, so let's get into the business of the day. Now, Euro USD. What is Euro USD telling us? Let's take a look at the weekly time frame. I hope this is the last candle. Okay, this is the monthly and this is the weekly. So we've seen this range, and we've seen this breakout of the range and something that looks like a retest of that range as well. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. The market was ranging between this zone right here, and now it has broken out of the zone here, but it has come to retest the zone and seem to have also closed bearish. Maybe to continue downwards, we can't tell for now. But what I will be predicting for Euro USD is this: if price comes into the zone, if price comes into the 1.01998 zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I would suggest that you go for a buy, go for a one-to-one buy right there. If it meets your confirmation, only if it meets your confirmation, go for a one-to-one buy right there. That is for Euro USD buy opportunity. But if we see price push higher and come into okay, if we see price push a little bit lower, then gives us another move that comes into this zone. So we have some really good extended move right there, and it comes into the 1.05181 zone, and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone. Then I would suggest that you can go for a sell right there. But if it also happens here, if it comes into this 1.04666 zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then you can also take that as well. You can also consider that if it meets your trading confirmation, you can go for a sell, a one-to-one sell in both scenarios. That is for the Euro USD currency pair. So let's go to the GBP USD. Now for GBP USD, what do we have here? GBP USD seem to be making higher highs in recent times, but you've seen this drop in, and it looks like a bearish move. Yeah, so but let's just take a look at it. Now looking at the daily time frame, what will I suggest? This is what I'll suggest. If price pushes into this zone, if price comes into the 1.24344 zone and gives us a bullish day close above that zone, if price gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a one-to-one buy right there. Go for a one-to-one buy and close it there, right? But if we see price return into this zone, into this 1.26772, gives us a double top at this zone and gives us a bearish day close below that zone, then I would suggest that you can go for a sell. You can go for a one-to-one sell. But even if it comes in here to the same scenario, so if it comes into either of the 1.26772 or the 1.27304 zones and gives us a bearish day close at either of those zones, then I suggest that you can go for a one-to-one sell right there. You can go for a sell, make it a one-to-one, because you just want to be on the safe side. That's the truth. Go for a one-to-one sell. If it meets your confirmation, take the sell and wrap it up. You understand what I mean? Just take the sell, and if it hits your take profit, be good. So let's go to the USDCHF currency pair. So now for USDCHF, what is weekly telling us? USDCHF is currently in a ranging market. You've seen the price just dropped from the range resistance. We've seen that in recent times. So there's no clear direction, even though it has been giving big moves at either zones. But what I would suggest is this. If we see price return to the range support, or range resistance rather, if we see price return to the range resistance, or first of all, let me talk about this one. Let me talk about this. If we see price return to the bottom here and gives us a double bottom, if we see price return to this 0.89266 zone and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, then I'll suggest that you go for a buy. Go for a one-to-one buy and let it and leave it there. And end it there. One-to-one buy and be good. Just one-to-one and be good if it meets your confirmation. But if we see price push higher and come back into the range resistance and gives us a bearish day close below the range resistance, then I suggest that you go for a sell. Go for a sell, go for a one-to-one. If it meets your confirmation, go for a one-to-one. I'm talking one-to-one in the sense of one-to-one RR. Yeah, risk reward. So just one-to-one risk reward. If it meets your confirmation, you can go for any of the scenarios only if they meet your confirmation. So lastly for this video, the USDJPY currency pair. So now for the USDJPY currency pair, let's take a look at the weekly time frame first. We're in a very bullish trend. Obviously, no bearish zones have been broken below yet, so we still take that into mind. We put that in mind rather. So if price comes into this zone, if price falls into the zone at this 147.761 zone, and it gives us a bullish day close above that zone, I'll suggest that you go for a buy. You can go for a one-to-one buy, or better still, you can buy till you come back into this 150.778 zone. Since this is a bullish market, this might be another opportunity to join the trend. It's a possibility. I'm not saying it's going to happen that way, but it's a possibility that it's going to be an opportunity to join the trend and maybe ride it, upwards. Yeah, so that applies to every other zone below around here. Below this place, that's the one I'm talking about, the 146.484, the 144.818 zones as well. It applies to all of them. If you see market come into any of those zones and give you bullish day close above those zones, then you can go for buys right there. So that is what I would suggest. Right? So now let's look at what if we see this opportunity, this bearish opportunity, right? If we see price push higher and return into the zone, that's 156.298 zone, and it gives us a bearish day close below that zone. I'll suggest that you go for a sell. Go for a one-to-one sell and let it be. Right? Go for a one-to-one sell right there, because this is a very bullish market and you don't want to overstay your welcome. Go for a one-to-one sell, and that will be all I'll suggest to do. Don't forget that in any of the scenarios that I've painted to you, from the EURUSD to the GBPUSD, USDCHF, and the USDJPY currency pairs, you should only take them if they meet your confirmation. Now for this USDJPY, we even see that if it comes into the zone, it's going to be more like a head and shoulder pattern, which kind of gives some, maybe some really good make it, maybe it makes it look like a better opportunity. Whichever way you trade, it's up to you to know if this one works for you or not. So that will be my suggestion for the analysis. Now, if you like to work with me, I offer free forex signals. You can get the free forex signals on my channel. Go to the link in the description below, copy the link, paste it in your browser, and use the link to join the channel. That's my Mike Earn, the Mike Earn channel. Yeah, on the Mike Earn channel. Use the link to the Mike Earn channel, paste it in your browser, copy the link, paste it in your browser, and you can start getting the signals. As simple and as easy as that. But if you like to subscribe to my account management service, I'll be very much available. My direct Telegram contact will be in the description below. Copy the link, paste it in your browser, and chat me up. Use the link, chat me up, and let me know you would like to subscribe to my account management service. In my account management service, you get really, really good results. Oh yes, really, really good results. And for the free signals as well, you can rest assured that the signals I offer are highly profitable trading signals. Yes, very, very high profitable trading signals, and they will take your trading to the highest level of profitability. This is not a bluff, this is a fact. So if you would like to check that out and like to be sure if I'm bluffing or if it's a fact, you can copy the link and join and see for yourself. For those who would like to do the account management service, chat me up and let's talk. Chat me up and let's talk. You can get upwards of 5% and even much more than that with the account management service as I trade for you. 5% and even much more, 10, 15, and even above, more than that monthly, with me managing your account. So that is it. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.